Welcome, dear students. Now we will study another arithmetic operations called rotate operations. This rotate operations is very useful in 8051 microcontroller assembly program language because the 8051 microcontroller can be interfaced with a motor. A motor needs to rotate, whether it has to rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise. For that, you need an instruction, rotate instruction, in the assembly language of motor control rotation. This rotate operation, what it does, it simply rotates the given 8-bit digit, that is 1 byte. If you store any number in a register, say A, then that number is rotated. And as you know that you can rotate to the left or right. Therefore, there are two operations in rotate. Rotate left. The binary digits of a given register is rotated either to left or to right, depending. We have two types of rotations: rotate left and rotate right. Rotate left, the opcode used to rotate left is represented by RL, only two letter. And another rotation to the right, RR means rotate the contents to the right. RL means rotate the contents to the left. Similarly, RLC, rotate the content to the left with carry. Similarly, RRC, rotate the content to the right with carry. Therefore, there are four types of rotate operations. Two types used for to rotate without carry. Two opcodes used for rotating with carry. RL stands for rotate the content to the left. RR means rotate the content to the right. RLC means rotate the content to the left with carry also. RRC means rotate the content to the right with carry also. Now we will discuss all these four types one by one with examples. RL is an opcode, operation code, used in arithmetic operations in order to rotate the content to the left. I will explain this with example. First, I will load the register A with some number by the instructions move A comma hash 3dh. This shows that A is equal to 3dh. Now, write 3dh in the form of binary numbers. It is a byte, therefore you should have 8 binary digits. 3 means 0011. D, A10, B11, C12, D is 13. 8 plus 4 plus 1, that is 13. So 3D is nothing but 00111101, in which this is called least significant bit and this is called most significant bit. So the given 8 bit of a binary number, to the right extreme it is called least significant bit, to the left extreme it is called most significant bit. In rotation operation, this LSB and MSB must be noted because this plays very important role in rotation operation. Now move A comma hash 3D. That means the value 3D is loaded into A. Now A contains 3D, that is this one. Rotate left RLA. This instruction says the 8051 microcontroller to do operation, rotate the content of A to the left. How do you rotate? Now A is 00111101. Write this in the, because A is a 8-bit register. A is a 8-bit register. So move A equals 3D. Now A is equal to 3D means in the register A, the number 00111101 is stored. Move A comma as 3D means in the register A, accumulated register A, it is a 8-bit register. A binary number equal to 3D is stored, 00111101. This is our least significant bit. This is our most significant bit. Next instruction, RLA, rotate the content of A to the left. RL means rotate left. What is to be rotated? The content of A. The content of A is 00111101. Rotate this to the left. Left rotation means placing the digit one by one to the left. That means this LSB is shifted to the next bit. This bit is shifted to the next bit. This shift is shifted to the left bit in the left manner. This one is shifted to the next bit. 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 And this one is shifted to the next means when it is shifted, it goes to the LSB. In this way, you have to shift bit by bit to the left side. That is called rotate left. In RL operation, rotate left operation, each bit is involved and each bit is shifted one by one to the left side. When you performed this for all the 8 bit, the MSB goes to LSB. Therefore, in RL rotate left operation, LSB that is MSB goes to LSB. So I will shift this. This 0 goes to LSB. This 0 comes to here. Therefore, this place 0. This one goes to here. 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 This 0 goes to here. This one goes to here. And 0 comes to the LSB. So MSB becomes LSB. Now what is this value? This is 8. 78H is the number. When you shift this value 3D given by this binary numbers to the left, since MSB goes to LSB, the new number is 78H. In this way, you have to shift each bit to the left. While shifting it, the MSB bit becomes to the LSB. Example, move A comma hash 4FH. Then RLA, very simple. A is 4H. 4FH. 4 means 0100. F means 1111. Simply take this LSB to take this MSB to LSB and shift this in this manner. Then 100111, this 0 comes here. So MSB becomes LSB. That's all. Now what is this? 8 plus 1, 9. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 1, 12 plus 2, 14. That is D. Therefore, RLA, now A goes to 90H. If A is loaded with a value 4F, after RLA, write the content of A to the left, then A is equal to 90. How do you get? Simply put the MSB to the left side. In this way, you put it. put the MSB to the LSB. That is the answer. Example, another example, move A comma hash 3CH RLA. The content of A is 3C. Rotate this to the left side. A is equal to 3 means 0, 0, 1, 1. C, A is 10, B is 11, C is 12. That is 1, 1, 0, 0. Simply take this MSB to LSB. Make it remaining as it is 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. This 0 goes to LSB. Now, naku 7. This is 8. Now, A becomes 78H. So, in this way, you have to operate rotation to the left. In operation rotation to the left, each bit is shifted left side. When you did for all the 8 bits, MSB becomes LSB. Similarly, RRA, another instruction. RRA means write the content to the right. Rotate the content to the right. That is, you have to shift the bit to the right side. You have to shift each bit to the right side. While shifting, first bit goes to the second bit goes to the third bit goes to the fourth bit. In this way, it is shifted bit by bit, but in the right manner. I will explain this with example. I will load A is equal to 3DH. How do you load the number 3DH? By the instructions move A comma hash 3DH. This implies that A is loaded with a value 3D. What is 3D? A is a 8-bit register in which 3D is stored. 3 means 0, 0, 1, 1. D means 14. That is 8 plus 4 plus 2, 14. 1, 1, 1, 0 is D. So this value is loaded in A now. Now I will write RRA. Rotate the content of A to the right. Rotate the content of A to the right. So each bit should be involved, but the bit should be rotated in a right manner. That is, this 0 is shifted here. This 0 is shifted here. This 1 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 is shifted here. This 0 is shifted to this. So in this way, you have to shift each bit to the right side. When you did it for all 8 bits, this LSB goes to MSB. So in RR rotations, in rotate right operations, LSB goes to MSB. In RL operation, MSB goes to LSB. In RR operation, LSB goes to MSB. When you shift this, what happens? This 0 is shifted here. This 0 is shifted here. This 0 is shifted here. This 1 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 is shifted here. This 0 is shifted here. Therefore, it becomes 0 here. That is, LSB becomes MSB. Now this is 1. This is F. Now A contains F, 1FH. Okay. So move A comma hash 3D. A contains 3D like this. RRA, rotate the content 3D to the right. Rotate the content of A to the right. Shift the digit 1 by 1 to the right side. While shifting occurs, the LSB will go to MSB. So LSB is 0. Write it to in the MSB manner. Then 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 is obtained. Another example, move A comma hash 4FH. Rotate right the content of A, RRA. A is 4FH, that is 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, that is 4. F means 1, 1, 1, 1. In right rotation, rotation to the right, in right rotation, LSB goes to MSB. This one goes to MSB. Therefore, now 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. That is A entered ಹತ್ತು A. ನಾಲ್ಕೆರಡು 6 1 7 A7H. So if move A hash 4H RRA, then A becomes A7H. In this way, you can rotate the content present in the register A either to the left or to the right. In RL operation, that is rotate left operation, just simply MSB becomes LSB. In RR operation, LSB becomes MSB. Now we will discuss about RLC operation. RLC is the operational code used to rotate the content to the left along with carry C. So rotate left with carry, that is RLC operation. It can be explained with an example. I will consider move A comma hash 2DH. That is A is loaded the value 2D. What is 2D? 2D means 0, 0, 1, 1. D means 14, that is 1, 1, 1, 0. And assume that the carry is 0. When carry is not represented, it is 0. 2D 8 bit 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Carry 0. Assume that initial value of carry is 0. Now I will write the instructions RLCA. Write the content of A. What is the content of A? That is 2D given by this number. Write this to the left side along with carry. Here in this rotation, carry is also included, but you have to rotate this to the left. See, rotate this to the left means this 0 goes to here, this 0 goes to here, this one 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 goes to here, this 0 goes to here, this 0 goes to carry, and again shift this carry also to the left. This carry will go to the MSB. Therefore, this will go to here. Now consider the 8 bit with the carry. This is carry. Now this is 2, 1, 3. 8 plus 4, 12 means ABC 3CH. After you did the performance RLCA, when A is loaded with the value 2D, then A becomes 3CH and carry is 0. So in rotate left with carry, what happens? Carry becomes the LSB and MSB goes to the carry. This is carry. This is MSB. This is our LSB. When you shift like this, carry goes to the LSB and MSB goes to the carry. So in RLC operations, carry goes to LSB and also MSB goes to carry. Another example, move a comma hash ffh, rotate left with carry a, rotate the content of a, that is ff, to the left with carry. Here in the previous instruction carry is not given, therefore assume that carry is 0. First carry flag is 0. ff means all 8 bit are 1 1. This is 1, this one, this one, this one, 1 1 1 1. In RLC, rotate the content to the left with carry. Rotate the content to the left with carry operation. In this operation, carry goes to LSB and MSB goes to carry. This is our MSB. This is our carry. MSB goes to carry. Therefore, here in this place, it becomes 1 because we are shifting to the left. This one goes to here. Carry goes to LSB. Shift this one. So, carry goes to 1. This 0 goes to here. This one is shifted here because we are shifting to the left. This one is shifted here. In this way, we get all 1. Now what is the value? This is F. N2 naku 114 andre D. FDH with carry 1. Therefore, now A becomes FDH with carry is equal to 1. If move A is equal to hash, if move A comma hash FFH, A contains FFH, write the content of A to the left with carry by the instructions RLCA. Then each bit is shifted left side. While shifting, MSB goes to carry, carry goes to LSB. Therefore, put the MSB in the carry box and put the carry box value in the carry box to the MSB box. Then you get this value. Then A is equal to FDH. In this way, you can perform rotation to the left of any content along with the carry. Now, we will discuss RRC operation. RRC operation. RRC is an operational code used to rotate the content to the right along with carry. R, rotate. R to the right. C, along with carry. Rotate the content to the right along with carry. Now, you have to include the carry bit also in doing rotation operation. The rotation must be done by shifting the bit, one bit to the next bit, to the right side, including carry bit also. Okay. So, if this is carry bit and if this is the 8-bit register, how do you represent RRC? You have to rotate the or shift the digit bit by bit to the right side along with the carry. So this carry goes, this is MSB, this is LSB. You are shifting right. Therefore, carry goes to MSB. This bit is shifted here, this bit is shifted here, this bit is shifted here. In this way, every bit is shifted to right side. This is shifted to here. When you shift this, it will go to carry. Therefore, LSB goes to carry. Carry goes to MSB. So, when carry goes to MSB and LSB goes to carry, this is our right rotation with carry. When carry goes to LSB and when NSB goes to carry, this is our RLC rotation operations. In RRC, carry goes to MSB and LSB goes to carry. In RLC rotation, carry goes to LSB and MSB goes to carry. Example, move a comma hash, we can take any value you want. I will take 4CH, and the next operation is RRCA. Here carry is not mentioned in this instruction, therefore we can take carry bit is 0. What is 4C? A equals 4C means four means 0, 1, 0, 0. C, A is 10, B is 11, C is 12. The division 8, 4, 12. 1, 1, 0, 0. This is our 4C. And assume that the carry flag is 0, carry bit. This is our MSB, this is our LSB. See, in RRC operation, carry goes to MSB. This carry goes to MSB, therefore this 0 goes here. And this is shifted right. This 0 goes to this box. This 1 goes to this box. This 0 is shifted here. This 0 is shifted here. This 1 is shifted here. This 1 is shifted here. This 0 is shifted here. And LSB becomes carry. This LSB goes to carry. Okay. In RRC operation, see, you are shifting each bit to the right side. Therefore, this carry goes to MSB and this goes to this. This carry goes to MSB and this 0 goes to here. This 1 goes to here. This 0 goes to here. This 0 goes to here. This 1 goes to here. This 1 goes to here. This 0 goes to here. Whereas this 0 goes to carry. Therefore, just write carry equals MSB. So, carry equals MSB. Next, LSB equals carry. LSB is 0. That will go to carry. Carry is 0. That will go to MSB. So, this is the operation. This is 4 to 6, 4 to 6, 6, 6H with the carry flag is 0. So, if A is equal, if move A comma hash 4CH is the instruction, then A is loaded with 4CH along with carry 0. Then RRCA means A becomes 66H with carry is 0. In this way you can operate the rotation operations. So rotation operation is also called as logic operations used in microcontroller assembly language program, usually in the interface of motor with 8051 microcontroller. There are 4 types of rotation operation. RL means rotate left, RR means rotate right, RRC rotate right with carry, RLC rotate left with carry. Thank you.